So these are the new wheels for the Audi. I'm just taking a quick before because I'm about to clean them up and polish the lip. These are 18 by 9.5 all the way around. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna clean these up. I bought a polisher. I heard this was some of the best polish you can get right now. So I'm going to put this on my drill bit, try to clean these babies up. So here's the before. Bad lighting, but you can still kind of see. And here's a quick after. Just one pass over. It's a lot better. Still got to clean up the creases, but that was just one little quick pass, so I'm gonna do that to the rest of the wheel, and we are looking good. What's up, guys? So today is a new day. So today is Saturday, and I finally have time to mount the wheels. So I was gonna use my dad's truck, but it's full of stuff right now, of car parts and stuff that I just got. So I was able to fit them, hopefully, in the car. We finally made it. My boy's getting his wheels put on. Heck yeah. So I got the tires mounted, but unfortunately I was unable to put them on, so I had to put the stock wheels back on because the offset of these wheels makes the front caliper hit the the front part of the wheel hit the caliper. So I had to buy 5mm spacers, and right now I'm just cleaning up my stock calipers for now, and I'm gonna paint over them. I'm not gonna do anything cheesy like the the red or green. I'm just gonna do what color did I get? I just got just a black. I'm just gonna paint the calipers black until I do my big brake setup. These are the wheels mounted. Right here you see that lip sticking out. I'll show you guys on the car. I won't really show you too much right now, but I'm just getting the calipers kind of cleaned up right now, and I'm going to get the rear installed because the rear fits fine. I want to get the rear wheels installed. Of course, I'm not going to drive the car because it's all-wheel drive, and you don't want to drive with mismatched wheels. So I'm going to get the rear installed, just check the fitment, and then the spacers for the front should be here Thursday. And yeah, this is a before. I kind of already started cleaning, but most of it looked just like that. So this is before cleaning. All right, finished the back. My first coat on the front, and it's coming out pretty good. So I had to order spacers for the car because, like I think I showed it, the wheels hit the caliper. So I got some APR spacers, 5mm spacers, just enough so the wheels will not hit the caliper. Hopefully this is thick enough. So I'm going to take the front off and hopefully it works. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. car is on the ground. Just took it for its first test drive and it rides freaking amazing. You can see the fitment with the 5mm spacers. Pushes the tire right out to the lip, to the fender. And in the back, you can see there's no spacer in the back, so you can see it completely tucks in the back. So yeah, I'm loving the way it looks. It looks amazing. I'll get some better shots in the daytime, but progress on the Audi is coming out good. I'm enjoying it.